Welcome to an episode of
Beazos mobile cooking.
a way of showing you what you can do with a basic setup with your car so that when you're travelling you don't need to rely on fast food and takeaway shops. You don't need to sacrifice good food when you're travelling. I've got my setup on a Hyundai Santa Fe. You can set this up on any vehicle basically. You don't have to go as far as I have. I've got two 300 watt solar panels on the roof. Okay, the solar panels feed back down to a lithium battery in a battery pack. I've got a portable fridge, 3000 watt power inverter, air cooker, and a variety of other things I can plug into the inverter as needed. Let's see what we can cook for you today. So let's cook some chicken rissoles. I like measuring out all of my ingredients and storing them separately, ready to use. Keep them in the fridge in the car, and when I pull up, I'm ready to go. I like using the chicken thighs. They're a bit more juicier and a bit more flavour than chicken breasts, but you can use anything you like. Now with this recipe you could use beef, steak, fish, lamb, anything you like. Let's chop the chicken up into pieces. Doesn't have to be too finicky or accurate. It's all going to go into a small food processor, which is the beauty of having the inverter in the car. You can run the majority of household electrical items from the back of the car, which is great. So let's slice the chicken up, throw it in the chopping machine. Let's add an onion as well. The good thing about chopping onions outside the back of the car with a little bit of wind, you don't cry that very much. A lot of the juice doesn't get in your eyes. Again, you don't have to be too accurate. Just get the skin off, chop it up into the chopper. It's good to have a good sharp knife. I always keep the sharp knife in the car. Very handy. Chop the onions up, chuck them in. The second half, get that skin off. There it goes. Now we'll peel a potato as well, so we'll use a whole fresh potato. So with the chicken, the onion and the potato, that's going to bulk up quite nicely. And just slice it into small pieces, so it makes it an easy job for the chopping machine. Even the load out, give it a bit of a chop. There we go. All chops up nicely. Now I had a handful of frozen veggies. Just add some vegetable content to the rissoles, makes them really nice. Makes it a balanced meal, just in the patty by itself. Again, chop it all up. Throw in some butter. Don't have to be very accurate with measurements. Near enough's good enough. Crack an egg. In it goes. We'll do a little bit of shell, pull that out. Egg's going to help everything stick together. chops up quite quickly, which is great. A little bit of mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella goes good with everything. Now I'll add a touch of flour. That's going to help thicken it up. A fair bit of moisture in there. Looks a bit like coleslaw with this consistency. Add a little bit more flour. Just help soak up some of the moisture. Still looking fairly moist. Last bit, a little bit of flour in. Looks good. Time for our final ingredient. Got some herb and garlic breadcrumbs. And this will absorb a lot more of the moisture in there and help it all bind together with the egg. Again, no set measurements, just add what you need. Turn the air fryer on, get it to preheat. $180. I'll run it for about 15 minutes. I'll keep it on as we go. So now we'll form our rissoles. This mixture will make about 8 good sized rissoles. I'm only going to make a couple though. You don't need to make all of them. Spread some breadcrumbs out. Cover the rissole top and bottom with the breadcrumbs. It's going to be so nice. Okay, air fryer's ready. In they go. And we'll come back when they're finished. Okay, whilst we're waiting, the air fryer is now finished cooking, so let's prepare a small salad. Chop up some tomatoes. Babies, capsicum, baby capsicum. Nice and crunchy. Time to see how we went. There we are. Look at that, beautiful.
fit 4 good size rissoles in that small air fryer. Use a large air fryer, you could cook more. I like to put a bit of plum sauce on. It goes really well with the chicken. Now time for the taste test. Still nice and moist, but cooked all the way through. Beautiful. Those vegetables are chopped up finely and mixed all the way through. A little bit of salad, and up we go. Oh, beautiful. So nice. Look at that. Doesn't get any better than that. Again, you can do any mixture, any meat, any protein. So yummy. Good was that. Now it's time for dessert. Freshly picked blackberries from my garden this morning. Add some whipped cream. Beautiful dessert on the side of the road. Great for a long trip. How good is that? Absolutely beautiful. Why would you want to stop and use a takeaway shop or fast food joint when you can simply do it yourself? Car cooking with Steve.